guys, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. In this video tutorial I am going to show you how to mirror your Android phone to your Windows 11 PC or laptop wirelessly without using any software. Okay, so let's get started. So just simply here in your PC press Windows key button and here you need to search wireless display. In case this tool is not showing in the start menu, you need to enable it. Okay, to enable it guys, go to your Windows settings. In the Windows settings, go to system and in the right panel scroll down and find out optional features like this. Okay, and here you can get the option add an optional feature. So just click on view features and here you need to search wireless display and download and install it from here. So I have already enabled it. So after doing this guys, press Windows key button and here you need to search wireless display and open it. Now on your phone you can get the built-in feature like screencasting, screen mirroring, or if you are a Samsung user you can get smart view option. Just open it from the quick settings. If the option is missing from the quick settings, just you need to add it. Okay, tap on three dots and here you can get the button edit button. Just tap on it. From here you need to select that option. Okay, and then open it. Before using these guys, you need to connect your phone and your PC laptop with the same Wi-Fi network and open that app, and here you can get your PC laptop screen name. Just tap on it and then tap on start now. That's it. Now it will quickly mirror your phone screen on your laptop, as you can see guys. So this is the free wireless method to share your Android phone screen to your Windows laptop. Okay, so that's about it guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.